Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable or disable reader mode on Google Chrome. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable or disable reader mode on Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome browser and browse your favorite website. I am browsing Washington Post. Click on Washington Post. In this website, I want to enable the reader mode. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then go to more tools and here you will find reading mode. Click on reading mode and look, the reading mode is enabled and now reading mode is enabled and you can select your title to read with the reading mode. You will find all the titles here and you can read by clicking on one by one title. This is the easiest way to enable reading mode on Google Chrome. If you want to disable reading mode, just click here to close reading mode and you will find the default settings. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.